So guys, before you skip this video, let me tell you one important something. Now, do you know that as a professional fashion designer or a professional fashion student, do you know that you must know how to read this measurement tape? Are you seeing it? Now look, this is the inches. Now, do you know that each line here signifies something? It has a name. Now, as a professional fashion designer, you must know each and every one of their names. Do you understand? So I'm going to teach you that, but that's not the major issue here. The major issue here is that if you are still part of those that cannot cut comfortably, you have done so many things just to learn how to cut comfortably. In fact, you have paid so many madams, so many bosses just to learn how to cut comfortably. Please cry no more, because I have a solution for you. Now I bring to you this gift. I have written a book because I was also a victim. Do you understand? I searched for a book resource just to help myself as a fashion student. I couldn't get any, so I decided to write this book just for everybody anybody who is suffering from knowing how to cut comfortably. So this book, we have step-by-step guide on how to cut every dress. When I mean every dress, this book is 400 pages and we have about 17 chapters. That is 17 topics, ranging from, I'm going to be teaching you how to measure, how to read your tape, how to measure, how to cut a princess that bustier, a straight that bustier, a two-piece, in case you want to go into ready to wear. Now, this book is called The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. So if you don't know the name, this is the name here. Are you seeing? We have it on Amazon, we have it on Seller, but I'm going to be putting the link in the description box. I'm going to be putting the link in comment section, or just go below, you'll see the link. Make sure you go and order for your own. Now, what am I saying? What I'm saying is that this particular book, I'll be offering it to you at a token of 5,000 naira. Now, when I mean 5,000 naira, remember I said it has 17 chapters, that is 17 topics. Normally, when I sell my products, when I sell my ebooks, let's say I'm selling a corset ebook for you, how to make a corset. I sell it for 1,000 naira, and you see people rushing it. Do you understand? So this particular one that has 17 chapters, 17 topics, is supposed to be 1,000 times 17, which is 17,000 naira, a whooping 17,000. But I'm giving it to you at what? 5,000 naira. So make sure you go and get yours. Now let me promise you something. If in any situation you check this book and you see that it is not what you expect, do you understand? Just let me know. I'll refund back your money. But I promise you it's not going to end that way, because you so much love it that you ask for more. Do you understand? So make sure you go and book your own. Thanks, and may God bless you. Love you.